Welcome to our channel Zoya Fun Club. Friends, I hope you have learned all the previous tables. So today we will learn table of 9. But before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. 9 ones are 9.
9 ones are 9.
9 twos are 18.
9 twos are 18.
9 threes are 27.
9 threes are 27.
9 fours are 36.
9 fours are 36.
9 fives are 45.
9 fives are 45.
9 sixes are 54.
9 sixes are 54.
9 sevens are 63.
9 sevens are 63.
9 eights are 72.
9 eights are 72.
9 nines are 81.
9 nines are 81.
9 tens are 90.
9 tens are 90.
Now let's check how well you have learned. It's a preview time. 9 twos are
18.
9 fours are
36.
9 eights are
72.
9 nines are
81.
good. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye.